welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello, my name is Sam. Welcome. Today I filmed this kind of grungy Valentine's Day look. That's what I'm gonna call it. It's like the girl that wants to do her makeup for Valentine's Day, but she is too grungy and like doesn't want to wear pink, so she wears red and orange instead. Yeah, that's what I'm calling this look. So without further ado, if you want to see how I created this look, just keep watching. Alright, so I've already done my foundation, concealer, powder, and contour, and now I'm just baking a little bit. And today, the only eyeshadow palette we'll be using is the Morphe 24G palette. We're going to start with the shade Creamer. Just going to take some of that on a big fluffy brush and start putting that in our crease. This is going to make a very nice transition shade for us. I'm also going to go ahead and take that under my eye as well. Next, we're taking the shade Brassy, and I'm going to use the same brush for that as well. And we're just going to place this in our crease and start blending it out. I'm going to go ahead and take that under my eye as well. Next, I'm taking the shade Flirty. I'm going to use a smaller tapered brush for this to kind of place it where I want, and then I will smoke it out with the brush we were previously using. So just put this right in your crease. And then without adding any extra product, use that same brush as before and start blending it out. I'm just going to take a little bit of that under my lash line. Now we're going in with the shade Steady. Next, we're taking the shade Sunshiny. I'm going to use the same brush and spray it with some more Fix Plus. And we're going to put this in the inner corner area and just blend it into the red shade. Now we're going to highlight our inner corner and brow bone. Today I'm going to be using Glazed Donut. This is from MORPHE Cosmetics, and I just recently became an affiliate for them. So if you want to use my discount code, it's SN0OK30. I will have it on the screen somewhere here. Full disclosure, if you decide to use my code, I do receive a small compensation for that. But I just want to say thank you guys a million times for all your support. Anywho, I'm going to take that on my brow bone and my inner corner a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and highlight the rest of my face with Glazed Donut. I'll be using my Habana blush by NABLA COSMETICS. I totally just remembered that I put a tiny bit of brown eyeshadow on the edge of my lash line. So I'm going to do that real quick. I'm just using this shade Brownie and a very small angled eyeliner brush. So it's barely noticeable, but I do think it makes a pretty good difference. I'm going to take my RODIAL Suede Lips in Rodeo Drive, and I'm going to put this in my waterline. Once again, I don't recommend this. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out my last video. Alright, so now just put on your favorite mascara. I'm using Maybelline's Total Temptation mascara. Okay, so since this is a grungy-esque kind of look, you could totally leave the eyes like this without lashes, but I'm going to apply some. I'm going to wear the Giselle lashes from HUDA BEAUTY. To finish off with the lips, I'm going to line them real quickly with my MAC Chigory pencil. I'm going to wear my favorite plushie from LIMECRIME. This is their Marmalade shade. Alright guys, well I just threw on some brow gel real quickly. I'll have them linked in the description below if you're curious of what I used. But I think this completes this tutorial. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you want to be notified when I post videos, hit the little bell below. And don't forget to check out my Instagram. I will have it on the screen right here and in the description below. I'd really appreciate it if you went and checked me out on there. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!